Yeah, I'm gonna do a couple extra things here. This door is just, it's so bad, it's so out of square. And this gives me a good opportunity to install a new door because that's really making this whole room really ugly anyways. It's in such bad shape. So I got the drywall all done. This is all primed. I still got to put a coat of paint on it. And I was getting ready to put all new plywood in this area, but I pulled back a little bit more flooring and I noticed, look at that. Just all rotted. It's all falling apart. Just nasty. And it's all moldy too. So I pulled up like 4 more rows of the new flooring, rolled this back. This isn't too bad, but this stuff underneath is terrible. So I'm going to cut out another 18 inches of this whole thing. I'm going to cut it out. I'm going to have to get some more plywood, and I'm just going to replace all this. So every time I turn around, there's just something extra going on here. So lots to do. I'm going to put a panel door in here too. It'll match the pantry doors I put up a couple years ago. So I think that'll look a lot nicer too. And I did get some degreaser. And I spent about an hour with the degreaser on this stuff. And it's finally cutting through. I had to actually scrape it too with a scraper. But those are coming along. I'm kind of doing a lot of bits here and there because while I'm letting the drywall dry, I can do other stuff. So that's where we're at today, and it is Friday. Well, now I'm ripping up the old floor. Just got too many problems with the new cabinets versus the old cabinets, changing the size on the toe kick. So this flooring is just not gonna work. And I found so many issues with it when I was really looking closely that it just doesn't make sense to keep this old floor once you're putting in a new kitchen over here. So I'm just ripping all this out. You can see how much I had to replace with the new plywood, but it really doesn't take that long to pull it out. This floor is in just such crappy shape. It has so many stains on it that I couldn't get out that were really bad. So anyways, I'm ripping all this out and hopefully gonna make a little progress today. Well, I'm just installing the first cabinet. And I got my jacks in place. That was a pain in the butt because that is a heavy cabinet. It's a 24 deep, full depth by 33 wide over the fridge cabinet. So it took a while to get it up there on my jacks. But yeah, I'm just screwing it in now. And she's all level and plumb perfect. So that's really the tough one. And then after that, these things should go much simpler. So maybe by the end of the week, I can have these in and we can get the template guy in here by Friday is what I'm hoping. Getting this inside corner done. All right, now I can put this cabinet in, goes in this way. Very cool. Okay, I got a really good productive day done here. Got these in yesterday, got the tall divider in. Today I got all the plumbing done, got this cabinet mounted, plumb level shimmed up. She's perfect. They're all screwed together, so nothing can move now. Everything is bolted down, screwed in, and perfectly level, perfectly plumb. So pretty happy with that. Getting those all done today. Long day, but got them done. And of course, this cabinet is really cool because it's gonna open from the other room here. I'm gonna do the same thing up here. I still got a couple more cabinets up here to do. Probably work on those tomorrow. But my main goal was to get all this done, because now the guy can come in and make the template for the countertop. Even though we're waiting for this cabinet, this is the 21 inch we need. This is gonna be 2 weeks. I just ordered it yesterday. But because I have this here and this is solid, this can't move, he can make the template. Should be able to make it no problem. So that'll give him a couple weeks to make the actual countertop, because he has to make it, and then he has to cut the hole for the sink, cut the hole for the cooktop, and of course I can work on the oven there. And then once that comes in, I can put that in very quickly, and then the countertop should be ready. All right, coming along, very nice. Getting her done. Got the new door on, new handle. I'm gonna paint all that so it matches those doors out there. I downsized it to a 30 inch because I was able to gain 2 inches here. So the refrigerator, the old door used to actually hit the refrigerator, wouldn't open all the way because it was 2 inches too big. So now the refrigerator ends about here. So now the door will open all the way. So the door was shot, looked terrible, but I figured this is a good time to downsize it so it would open properly. So I got that all done. Got all the trim done around the top there. That all has to get painted. I'm gonna paint all this. So that's what I've been doing all day. Trim work, always fun. All right, so it's coming together pretty good. I'll probably tomorrow be picking up I'm gonna get some paint. I'm gonna get a darker color for the trim. I'm gonna do all the bases, the casings, all in a darker, probably a medium tone gray. And then I'll just continue with the white. I'm gonna paint the whole ceiling, probably end up painting all these cabinets, have to paint all these too. So there's tons of work still to do, and I'm still waiting for this cabinet. The countertop should be coming in about a week or so. So that cabinet is supposed to come on Tuesday-ish. So I got to get the cabinet, put that in, and then I can have the countertops brought in, but they should be pretty much done being made. So that's where we're at. All right.